In this video, we'll show you how to change the rear lower control arm on your Ram 1500. You can find it on CarParts.com via the link in the description. For safety reasons, we strongly suggest watching our video on how to jack your Ram 1500 safely. Brush and spray the two nuts with penetrating oil to facilitate unscrewing, which may be very difficult. Block the rotation of the holding nut with a 24mm wrench. Using a ratchet and a 24mm socket, unscrew the first retaining bolt. Using a ratchet, an extender, and a 24mm socket, unscrew the upper retaining bolt. Block the rotation of the holding nut with a 24mm wrench. Hold the lower control arm with one hand and finish unscrewing the last retaining bolt with the other. You can now remove the lower control arm. For great content, our best price, and fast shipping, download the CarParts.com app now. Brush and grease the control arm area to facilitate its installation. You can order the rear lower control arms used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Take the control arm. Pay careful attention to which way up you use it. Put it back in its slot, then screw the upper bolt back in roughly by hand. Then, screw the bolt back on until they make contact using a ratchet and a 24mm socket. Do the same with the lower retaining bolt. Finish tightening using a torque wrench. Then you will be able to put the wheel back on your vehicle. Put your truck back on the ground before properly fixing the wheels in place. Operation complete.